Hello guys, my name is Wanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys my natural and simple everyday makeup look. This will be quick and easy and perfect for the sun. So, let's start. Before we start makeup, you have to clean your face and your hand so that make your skin healthy and glow. First, I'm using my cream from Oriflame. I'm going to be putting on my favorite makeup or skincare product of all time, and this is L'Oreal Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 and it helps my face look more even. It's not heavy at all and I love this finish of this product. So yeah, I'm just going to put it all over my face. I'm using my hands. By the way, just make sure you're that clean. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. I love this one because it gives me just a little bit of a light coverage under my eyes. And next step is blush. I'm going to be using this Super Stay Matte ink from Maybelline in the number shade 135. I'm just going to put a little of my finger and then blend it. You can also use a lip tint for this one, but I love the peachy and brown shade of this one, plus it looks really good on my skin. Moving on to my brows, I'm just going to put a little bit of brow gel just to make it look more nice. Since I already have thick brows, I always use a gel so that my brows will look more natural. By the way, this one is from Oriflame in the shade brown. So I'm just gonna apply it to both of my brows. So next will be the lips. I'm using my favorite lip balm from Oriflame. This is BB lip balm. It has SPF. And I will continue use a little bit super matte ink from Maybelline. I will ombre my lips with lip tint from Emina. So next, I'm using highlighter cream from Moko Moko. This is my favorite highlighter cream because very cheap and so glowing. After that, I'm using BB powder from Wardah. This is make my skin matte, fresh and soft. Lastly, I'll just spray from Pixie to set my face and have that more natural glow. So yeah, that'll be the complete look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye!